Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Hardi Bora and today's my topic is digital storytelling, rethinking narrative in a digital age. Here are my personal information, table of content. And my research question is how has the integration of digital tools and platforms transformed traditional narratives, structures, and what implications does this shift hold for audience engagement and cultural representation in the digital age? My hypothesis is the integration of digital technologies had redefined narrative structures by fostering interactivity, multimodality, and a decentralization, leading to the increased audience engagement and dem- democratized cultural representation. However, it also raises a challenges related to the authenticity, intellectual property, and accessibility, which require critical examination within the framework of digital humanities. So let's start with the introduction. What is the digital storytelling? According to the Johans article, digital storytelling transcends traditional text-based narratives by leveraging technology to enhance the storytelling experience, engaging audience in novel and immersive ways. Digital storytelling combines storytelling with digital tools and multimedia elements. It uses text, image, audio, video, animations, and interactivity to craft narratives. Narratives are created and presented on the digital platforms like websites, apps, or social media. Uh, is like digital archivals. It allows for innovative, engaging, and multimodal ways of sharing stories. Digital storytelling enhance accessibility and audience interaction with narratives. Digital storytelling revolutionized narrative constructions through multimedia, mediality, and interactivity. It reshapes how stories are shared, leveraging digital platforms for global accessibility. Digital tools enable non-linear, and participatory storytelling experiences. Audiences become co-creator, transforming how stories are consumed and interpreted. This evolution redefines storytelling as a dynamic, collaborative, and immersive process. Second one is the evolution of storytelling in the digital age. There are total uh, uh, there are total 8 steps of digital storytelling process. As we know, whenever we have to uh, write a story, we have to follow all these steps. Storytelling has evolved from oral traditions to digital platforms, reflecting cultural and technological shifts. Oral traditions are preserved history, taught morals, and strengthen communities through spoken narratives. The invention of writing introduced permanence and complexity, with epics like the Iliad and the Odyssey influencing generations. The printing press democratized storytelling, leading to accessible literature and the rise of novels. Photography, film, and television revolutionized storytelling through the immersive visual narratives. The digital age integrates multimedia elements, enable interactive and global storytelling through social media and streaming platforms. Digital tools like virtual reality and augmented reality and artificial intelligence promise to redefine storytelling with immersive and personalized experience. As Dhatri mentioned, AI chatbots are useful for in study as well as to enhance storylines or story tales. uh, for creating further narratives. Despite the changing mediums, storytelling remains a vital human connection in it, inspiring, uniting communities in worldwide. Uh, these are some platforms of storytelling and narrate in virtual story narrator. YouTube helps video storytelling video storytelling for blogs and cinematic tales. With the help of blogs, we can uh, read the story in text-based space for detailed narratives. Podcasts are like audiobooks or audio stories with immersive soundscapes. VR, virtual reality, interactive, immersive storytelling in experiences. Social media like Instagram, Facebook, and etc. are uh, uh, are the source of real-time collaborative viral narratives. Uh, Third one is a case studies, impact of digital storytelling in the humanities. Uh, in the John Barber's article, he pointed out the three narratives. First one is interactive narratives. They provides engaging location-based experience where users actively shape the narrative, revealing hidden cultural and historical insights, emphasizing users' participation in storytelling, merging technology and cultural exploration. The projects like 34 North 118 West combine locative storytelling with GPS, creating interactive experiences that reveal hidden historical and cultural details. Second one is preserving cultural memory. These projects use digital tools to archive oral histories, ensuring collective memories are preserved for future generation. Highlight digital storytelling as a tool for safeguarding historical and emotional artifacts. The example of the Sonic Memorial project archives oral histories of the 9/11 World Trade Center tragedy, blending ambient sound, live events, and interviews to maintain collective memories. Third one and last one is crowdsourced narratives like platforms like the Moth democratize the storytelling, allowing diverse individuals to share personal and authentic stories globally. It represents the collective power of storytelling to bridge global communities and celebrate individually. Platforms like the Moth foster storytelling through live events and a podcast offering personal diverse narratives accessible globally. The fourth one is the transformation of narrative in the digital age. Digital storytelling replaces traditional formats with multimedia and interactivity. It connects global audiences and enables user shaped narrative. Immersive tools like VR created sensory rich experiences. Multimodal storytelling combines the text, visuals, audio, and interactions. Data analysis drives personalized user tailored content. Ethical storytelling respect privacy, inclusivity, and truth. It reshapes education, marketing, journalism, and branding. High quality content counters information overloaded. AI and immersive tech promise future innovations in storytelling. In a conclusion, digital storytelling amplifies marginalized voices and fostering a more inclusive and diverse narrative landscape. It also bridges disciplines like merging literature, technology, and media studies to enrich the scope of the humanities. More than technological shift, digital storytelling represent a cultural evolution, redefine how narratives shape and reflect the human experience in the 21st century. Here are my references, and thank you. If you have a question, you can ask.
Adi, my question is for you. Just like the Sonic Memorial Project, do you know if India has any archive about shared history?
Yes, India have so many number of India have number of archivals. I have remember one Jawaharlal Nehru memorial found, which has lot many data content of history and historical content of India, and it also preserves all the videos and photographs of our historical places. And the second one is Indian memory, something I don't remember the exact name, but similar, the Indian memory archival like that.
So I think my question is how does digital storytelling enhance accessibility and audience interaction compared to traditional storytelling methods?
In traditional storytelling methods, there are there are some limits in such extent, but as Dhatri mentioned, the chatbots like ChatGPT, or Gemini and etc. And there are also maybe number of online tools which enhance the digital storytelling, and we are given prompt them one topic, and they elaborate a whole story and the poem and etc. Thank you.